The first secret to MagnatesMedia's success isn't the editing, it's the script. They don't just tell a story, they use psychological hooks. Most creators fail because their intro is boring. MagnatesMedia uses what we call open loops. They present a mystery in the first 30 seconds and promise to reveal the answer at the very end. To recreate this using AI, you cannot just type a simple prompt into ChatGPT or Gemini. You need a structured prompt that forces the AI to write in a dramatic, engaging, storytelling format. You need to focus on conflict, human greed, and massive power shifts, because that is what keeps people watching. Now, let's talk about visuals. If you look closely, MagnatesMedia rarely uses standard, boring stock footage. Instead, they combine dark, moody historical clips with advanced AI-generated art. Every single image on the screen moves. They use a technique called the 2.5D parallax effect, where flat pictures are split into layers to look like a cinematic 3D space. You can easily do this in CapCut using keyframes. Combine that with a fast pacing rule, changing the visual asset every 3 to 5 seconds, and you completely destroy the viewer's urge to click away from your video. Most beginners ignore this, but 50% of your video's retention comes from audio. MagnatesMedia uses high-end sound design to build tension. Whenever a new text appears, there is a paper crumble sound. Whenever a dramatic point is made, a deep sub-bass boom drops. The background music isn't just random lo-fi beats, it is a dark, mysterious orchestral track that rises and falls with the story. You can find these copyright-free sound effects directly inside CapCut's audio library or on websites like Pixabay Sound Effects. So, what is your action plan for 2026? To build your own empire like AI Millionaire, you don't need a massive team. You just need a system. Use Gemini to structure your psychological script, download high-quality assets from free stock sites, and bring it all together inside CapCut with fast-paced editing and deep sound design. Consistency is the only thing standing between you and a $10,000 faceless channel. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button for the AI Millionaire and turn on notifications. Your automated journey starts today. See you in the next video.